was young, I played for fun, made up the words, nobody heard. But now I see all eyes on me, and suddenly I'm in a dream. I got a feeling now, everything's right somehow. Here I am, being who I want, giving what I got, never a doubt now. Here I go, burning like a spark, light up the dark again.
Siguro yung wish ko lang kay Kayomi is lumaki na may takot sa Diyos and syempre maging masunurin sa mga magulang. And syempre kahit payatot siya, malaking bagay na hindi siya masyadong nagkakasakit.
Bilang parents, gusto namin siyang makitang masaya, yung talagang real happiness. Kasi okay lang sa amin na, alam mo, hindi naman lahat ng bata achievers or what. Pero achiever kasi siya parang innate sa kanya. Pero sa amin, hindi kami into yung honors or what. Basta masaya siya sa school. Gusto namin pag lumaki siya, ma-fulfill niya yung talagang dream niya, yung gusto niyang gawin na masaya siya. Happy birthday, Kayomi! We love you!
All you see is up to me. I'm lifting off the ground, finding the perfect sound. Here I am, being who I want, giving what I got, never a doubt now. Here I go, burning like a spark, light up the dark again, 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 and again, and again. Princesses wanna have fun. Oh, princesses wanna have fun. There's a star that's right inside you, so come on and let it out. Find out what you're about and just shout.
Sabi ko nga, pag mami ka na talaga, hindi mo na na-appreciate yung mga bagay na ginagawa sa'yo. Mas na-appreciate mo yung mga magagandang bagay na ginagawa sa anak mo. Kaya super appreciated po namin ni Rom, ng family namin, yung pagpunta niyo po dito.
We just wanna get